Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know that they're acknowledging that you've created very deep friendships, but you must stay goal driven in your own narrative. You are being spiritually guided and protected from harm. You are important, and your dreams and wishes are important as well. There's good luck coming your way, so let go of things that don't serve you. You have set your boundaries, so stay on course. And the angels say you are ready, and they say that you're ready to pursue growth and opportunity. The angel number 444 says you are being protected, so you can go for anything you want to do. Um, there is a chain of events that will affect your life, and it will bring loyalty and love and things like that into your relationships. Money will be coming to you, and where you were having money problems, you're going to find peace and harmony. You are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life which brought you a lot of hardship and things like that, pain and sorrow. That is actually leaving your life, or the situation is leaving your life. And this is going to end anxiety, stress, fear, things like that that have been holding you back. There's triumph over troubles and obstacles, and there's good news coming your way. As far as family affairs go, you must embrace calm and clarity. Let your intuition guide you. Trust the magic of the universe. Um, Anything is possible. Where there was fear, worries, tense situations, there is now victory. You following your own light, your own integrity. You are going to have dealings or a relationship with an older man that's going to bring you improvements and also changes in your life. And the unicorn spirit says the answer that you're seeking is love. And they also say you need to relax. Everything is okay. Don't worry. It's all going to be fine. And your loved ones say your wishes are coming true. Just be patient. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.